Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Cole from Lads and Cole, and today I'm coming to you with this look. So it's called the boy beat, meaning you're not really doing a lot of makeup. You're supposed to really highlight your under eye or your bags or whatever that you have that is considered as flaws when it comes to makeup is what you're kind of bringing out with this makeup look. And this right here is a challenge of all challenges to me, because if you know me, you know that I have crazy hyperpigmentation under my eye and over the lids. So I basically didn't have to do anything. I just kind of put a little bit of foundation all over. The whole purpose of this is for your skin to look like skin and to look like you're not wearing makeup, if you get what I'm saying. Anyways, I hope you guys stick around for the rest of the video and subscribe, like, and share with all your friends. Bye. Okay, y'all, so to start off, I'm gonna use my foundation and mix it with my rose hip oil just to give me a fresh and dewy look. And I'm gonna go ahead and conceal some of my dark spots with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Chestnut. I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty contour stick just to have a more chiseled face. So I'm not gonna highlight, I'm just gonna apply the same concealer under the eye, but I make sure not to go right under my waterline. Because I have such oily skin, I'm gonna go ahead and set with my Sacha Buttercup powder. Now for the brows, because I don't have any brows like that, I have to draw mine in, because usually you want some kind of a bushy brow. But if you have, if you're blessed in that department, go ahead and brush off your brows. You can put a little bit of gel and make it a little bit more, make it a little bit more messy or bushy, and you'll be good to go. And I use a little bit of concealer, the same concealer, just to go over the very front part of my brows to make it look a little bit more natural. So I decided to do some faux freckles to give me that natural vibe, if you know what I'm saying. So I used the Anastasia Palette concealer kit, or concealer palette. And I'm using this little sponge, but I'm gonna go ahead and use my brown pencil as well as brown liquid liner pencil that I've got from Hard Candy at Walmart. And for finishing touches, I go ahead and add a blusher. And I went ahead with the dewy stick and put that all over my cheeks, my cupid bow, my nose. So that gives it more of a sheen as opposed to highlight. And then just use the mascara to brush off your lashes. I'm gonna use a really nude lipstick. Just a little, you can put on a little bit of gloss or just leave your lips as natural. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you guys would join my family and subscribe and like and all of that good stuff. And I'll catch you guys on my next one.